In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your new photo shows up correctly across your account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ChatGPT. This is just to get you to the official site quickly if you don't have it bookmarked. When your results load, look carefully and choose the legitimate ChatGPT link from OpenAI. Double-check the domain and the padlock icon in your browser so you know you're on the real site before you continue. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In. Use the login method you normally use with your ChatGPT account. If your account prompts you for a verification code or any additional confirmation, complete that as usual. After you're signed in, you'll land on the main chat interface. Next, look for your profile icon. Depending on your screen size and recent layout updates, you'll typically find it either in the bottom left corner of the sidebar or up in the top right corner of the page. It may appear as a small circle with your initials. Click that icon to open your account menu. In the menu, select your display name. This opens a profile window or panel where you can manage your account details. Here, you'll see your current name and a placeholder circle if you haven't set a picture yet. Now click the photo icon next to your initials. This brings up your system's file picker so you can choose an image from your device. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit headshot where your face is centered. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If you see a preview or a crop frame, follow the on-screen prompts to position your image so it looks good at small sizes. When you've selected the photo you want, click Open to confirm your choice. Finally, click Save. Give it a moment for the upload to complete and watch for any confirmation indicator. Your profile picture should update shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page. Once saved, your new photo will sync to your account and should show up the next time you open ChatGPT on any device where you're signed in. That's it. You opened the site, signed in, went to your profile, selected your display name, chose a photo using the picture icon, and saved your changes. If you ever want to switch images again, just repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated profile.